Hey guys, it's Saturday morning and we're gonna get some flying in. Alright, let's go. See, they're getting set up here for commencement day, so alright, we're recording, here we go. So we're gonna go take this thing around in neutral mode. I want to be as smooth as possible. So I want to make sure that we're getting this thing also want to scope out around this place. Make sure there's nothing weird happening. Because we are going to blast through here at full speed. I just want to make sure everything is good. There's some equipment stuff. I don't like to jump into anything like right away. Like, you know, because the way that I always crash is I snag like loose branches and stuff that are just kind of in the way, or something that like I can't really see very well because I'm just cruising way too fast. So I think I got a good idea of what we have here. It's looking beautiful. Gosh, they did a wonderful job on this chapel, I'm telling you. I think the donors are going to be so happy. Alright, I'm going to pop this up high, get into manual mode. Right, we're going to cruise along the field. Let's take it from the field, so we're going to shoot across. Oh boy, you can hear this thing winding. That's what I hate about the avata. Cruising along. Shooting gaps is really easy, dude. I thought that was like the hardest stuff ever. But really, it's all about you're looking through the gap. You don't want to, the secret behind it is like look through the gap. And then just punch through, like don't pay attention to the obstacles. This branch. Oh, the branch. Oh, I hate that. I hate that power thing. The power struggle of the avata. I hate it. It's so annoying, dude. That arm is kind of folded up in a weird way. If you notice, I haven't shot the gap because it's weird. I'm not doing that. I saw that extra arm in there. that's folded up. Jeez. Like snag central. Alright, let's go flip over this tree. Ah, so sketchy. Coming at it from bridge side. So far we've been flying for about 5 minutes. Really, we just want to burn about half a battery on this. And try to come at it at as many angles as we can. Really trying to show the front of that thing, like whip around. There we go. Maybe come at it at a different angle. I think that is, you don't know those people. It's not campus security. Dude, this thing is gonna be so cool when it's done. Oh my gosh. Feeling some heat off of that sun. Just want to come at it slow. Slow and steady. Give that grand look. Then we're gonna pop right over the top. Put some power back. Now one more shot I like to do is go hit the dive. Because I want a quad shot too. Quad. I love diving this tree right here. Tower to that, getting all those angles. Body's kind of leaning. I think we got everything we need for that. That's all that was. I mean, quick little fly around. I just have my assignment for, not for the week, but I mean, that's part of my assignment. I've been shooting this thing for like a year now, just coming by and doing flybys like that. I've been doing it with the Avata, I've been doing it with the Phantom 4 Pro. We got a ton of good shots, we got a ton of good videos. We've already put a bunch of content out around this chapel, putting it all together in the end. And then we got this nice piece for both the construction company that built this, but also the school, and for the internal marketing towards the donors who kindly donated this chapel to the school, and it really is bumping up the value of the campus. Thanks for joining. If you want more flights and stuff like this, hit that subscribe button. Be awesome. We'll spend a lot of time together.